Time Management Episode 1. Hi there, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the importance of setting priorities when it comes to managing your time. Have you ever found yourself feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list, not sure where to start or how to get everything done? It can be tough to juggle all of our responsibilities and commitments, but one key to effective time management is setting priorities. So, what does it mean to set priorities? Essentially, it's about figuring out what tasks are most important and focusing on them first. This can help you make the most of your time and avoid wasting energy on tasks that aren't as critical. So how do you go about setting priorities? One useful tool is the urgency importance matrix. This is a grid that helps you classify tasks according to how urgent and important they are. Tasks that are both urgent and important should be your top priority. These are the tasks that need to be done right away and have a significant impact on your life or work. Tasks that are important but not urgent can also be important to focus on. These are tasks that may not have an immediate deadline but are still important for achieving your long-term goals. On the other hand, tasks that are urgent but not important should be minimized or delegated if possible. These tasks may feel pressing, but they may not be the most valuable use of your time. Finally, tasks that are neither urgent nor important can be eliminated altogether. These tasks may feel like a distraction or a waste of time, and it's best to focus your energy elsewhere. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list, try using the urgency importance matrix to set your priorities. By focusing on the tasks that are most important and urgent, you can make the most of your time and achieve your goals more effectively. Thanks for watching.